In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the color picker in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up Google Chrome on your computer. Now you need to ensure that you're using Google Chrome as this is the only browser that supports the color picker. So once you're on Google Chrome, we're going to head over to the Canva website and just come into one of our designs. And then what I'm going to do is just open up one of these templates here. And now from here, we can click on the color wheel at the top of this navigation. And then from the left-hand side, we're going to add a new color. And then you should be able to see this eyedropper tool where you can select a color. So if you click on this, you should be able to pick a color from this design here. Now, if it's not working, then what you will need to do instead is actually just head over to an internet browser and type in Canva download and download the official Canva app for your computer. Now, once you're on the Canva app, once again, just head over to your design, click on the color wheel, and then once again, click on this eyedropper. And now you can see that we can select a color from our design. And once we've selected this color, it's going to apply that to our design. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you use the color picker if it's not working on your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.